Get ready for another exciting video featuring some of the most unique and powerful tools for car enthusiasts. Whether you need to lift heavy loads, secure your cargo, or protect your valuables, these top 10 gadgets will make your life on the road much easier. 1. Volvo Truck. The Volvo FH500 truck can now be equipped with Volvo Dynamic Steering with wireless remote control from Teleradio. This provides much better visibility during maneuvering, as the driver can control the truck remotely with the remote control from outside. This is incredibly convenient and saves a lot of effort. Imagine how many times a day the driver has to get out of the cab to open and close the sides, check the load, etc. With the wireless remote control, he no longer has to climb into the cab. Everything is at his fingertips. One of the first to try this innovation was the driver of the FH500 truck for livestock feed transportation. He was able to enjoy the convenience of wireless control during loading and unloading directly on the farm. The result is increased efficiency, significant savings in effort, and guaranteed safe maneuvers thanks to excellent visibility. 2. Automatic Air Mattress. This is an awesome product for car camping and traveling enthusiasts of the Tesla Model Y AeroGogo Shield Y Air Mattress, specially designed to fit the interior of this electric car. No more searching for a suitable clearing or pitching a tent when stopping for a night's rest. AeroGogo Shield Y allows you to comfortably sleep in the car. The air mattress follows perfectly the shape of the Model Y's rear row of seats, filling the entire space tightly and evenly. And it's incredibly thin and compact when folded, so it can easily fit in the trunk. But the main feature of AeroGogo Shield Y is the built-in electric pump with battery. Just press the button, and in 2.5 minutes, the mattress will automatically inflate to a comfortable thickness of 14 centimeters. The mattress remains perfectly flat and elastic, even under a load of up to 300 kilograms. The orthopedic pillow with a height of 24 centimeters guarantees the correct position of the head and neck. The product is made of soft, breathable fabric and rubberized, non-toxic TPU material. AeroGogo. This ensures comfort, durability, and the absence of foreign odors. After use, simply press the button to automatically deflate in 90 seconds. 3. Antipuncture Sealant. Today I want to mention something that can make your life on the road a lot easier. It's Slime 2-in-1 tire and tube premium sealant. The first thing that catches your eye is its reliability and effectiveness. The product protects your tires and tubes from punctures for 2 years. It instantly seals punctures in the tread area up to 1/4 inch in tires and up to 1/8 inch in tubes. One of the main features of Slime 2-in-1 tire and tube sealant. Premium sealant is its ability to prevent and repair punctures. When a puncture occurs, Slim's patented sealant is carried directly to the leak site. Exhaust air pressure forces the sealant particles into the hole where they build up and intertwine to form a long-lasting, flexible plug. It is non-toxic, non-hazardous, non-flammable, and water-soluble. What sets Slime 2-in-1 tire and tube sealant premium sealant apart is its quality and reliability. 4. Car towing cart. You see a truly unique product, a premium folding car towing cart. This is not just another cart, but a high-quality device that will make your life much easier. The heavy-duty car towing cart model features a unique folding design that allows it to be cut in half for compact storage. This premium model is made from the highest quality components to ensure reliability even in the longest trips. It features a Demco drum brake system with automatic deceleration, and the simple loading mechanism allows one person to load the vehicle in minutes. The lightweight frame allows one person to maneuver, set up, and store the cart with ease. The built-in handle makes hitching and unhitching much easier. All necessary straps, winches, and safety chains come standard and are integrated into the design for maximum convenience and safety. The tubular steel frame and steel mesh surface provide high strength at a low weight, allowing heavier loads to be transported without exceeding the weight limit. The durable powder coat finish gives the tugboat damage resistance and a long-lasting attractive appearance. But most importantly, this tug will be yours. 5. Nestboard. Skoda Enyak Festival is not just an electric crossover, but a real electric microcamper. It can transform from a regular crossover into a full-fledged camper in just a few minutes. It has a rigid tent on the roof which can be unfolded with a single hand movement. Thus, your car turns into a comfortable place for an overnight stay for 4 people. But Skoda's creators didn't stop there. Inside Enyak Festival, there is a compact but very functional camping section from the famous Czech manufacturer Ego. Here you will find a small cooking stove, a sink with water for washing dishes, and as well as a folding mattress that converts into a double bed, and it all folds down compactly when you're on the move. leaving room for passengers in the back seat. As for range, this model on a full charge can travel up to 338 miles without recharging. And with support for fast charging, you'll charge the battery to 80% in just 30 minutes. But the Enyak Festival is more than just a convenient camper. Once the summer travel season is over, it easily transforms back into a practical family crossover for everyday use. Enyak Festival is the basis of current trends in automobile construction, ecological compatibility, multifunctionality, and endless possibilities for adventure. 6. Landmoto Car Umbrella Tent. Landmoto Car Umbrella Tent is not just an ordinary tent, but a real salvation for your car on hot summer days. It is incredibly easy to use. Just press a button on the remote control and in 8 seconds the tent will fully unfold over your car. The whole setup procedure takes only 30 seconds, and when it's time to roll up the tent, it folds up just as easily on command from the remote. The tent fabric is made of highly durable waterproof Oxford 210D, which can withstand water pressure up to 350 megapascals. A special UV coating keeps the scorching sun from heating up the interior. The temperature inside can drop as low as 95 degrees Fahrenheit. There's no need to worry about weather disasters. In gale force winds up to 13 meters per second, the Landmoto tent will stay in place thanks to its steel frame, and it is not afraid of snowfall and hail. It cannot be folded without a remote control, and there is a steel cable to prevent the entire unit from being stolen. Landmoto is a universal solution suitable for most vehicles: sedans, pickup trucks, minivans, and even small trucks. 7. Hurricane Pro. Today I want to tell you about this outstanding device, Mossmatic Hurricane Pro. This underbody cleaner is a real breakthrough in its field. To begin with, the two zero-angle rotating nozzles have a tremendous amount of power to impact the undercarriage of any vehicle with 9 inches of ground clearance or higher. They are capable of knocking out even things you didn't even know existed. Meanwhile, the unit can rotate up to 90 degrees, allowing you to clean vertical surfaces such as axle sides or structural frame components. This makes it an indispensable tool for a complete cleaning of the entire underbody. But the advantages don't end there. The unit is equipped with an additional trigger that activates the detergent nozzles. This allows you to apply degreasing and hydrochloric neutralizers to the hardest to reach areas. It's also worth noting that the Mosmatic Hurricane Pro is made entirely of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring its durability. The underbody and undercarriage cleaner is versatile. It can work at different angles. It is easy to maneuver thanks to its large tubeless wheels, and it doesn't take long to assemble. 8. Airport Sweeper. And now we are talking about a unique solution for maintaining cleanliness and safety at the airport. The FOD Razor Sweeper. Any foreign object on these surfaces can cause serious accidents and millions of dollars in damage. The FOD Razor is specifically designed to effectively remove small debris and foreign objects from concrete and asphalt runway surfaces. It is a towed sweeper of original design, which provides an incredible degree of dirt collection, more than 98%. The secret lies in the innovative friction system. Instead of classic brushes or vacuum units, the FOD Razor is equipped with special sweeping mats. As it moves across the surface, a friction effect is created that picks up and holds all debris, from the smallest grains of sand to large objects. The sweeper can work at speeds from 8 to 40 kilometers an hour, which allows you to quickly and efficiently clean huge areas of runways and aprons. At the same time, it is effortless to operate. It is enough to tow behind a regular vehicle. Compactness and mobility also make the FOD RZR an ideal choice for airlines. It can be taken on any flight to clean surfaces on temporary airfields in a timely manner. 9. Cassette Liftgate. The Tommygate V2 Liftgate is a device that seriously simplifies loading and unloading operations and will save you a lot of effort and time. The Tommygate V2 is the last word in liftgate technology. This gate provides the maximum amount of space for loading cargo while taking up minimal space in the back of the van when folded. The platform can support up to 100 pounds, allowing it to carry the heaviest and bulkiest of loads. One of the main features of the V2 Liftgate is the built-in ramp for holding carts and wheeled loads. It easily locks and unloads with a single movement of a foot or hand. This ensures safe loading and eliminates the possibility of loads slipping off. Door operation is as simple as possible, just one button to raise and lower the platform, and the special tilt of the platform allows it to lie flat on the ground, facilitating the loading process. It is worth noting the well-thought-out design of Tommygate V2. The compact pump body is placed above the wheel arch without taking up unnecessary space. Chrome-plated lift arm rods and composite bushings guarantee durability and minimal maintenance requirements. 10. Emergency Tool. Stylus. Stinger is a car phone holder with emergency tool function. This holder slides into the air deflector of your car, and thanks to its powerful built-in magnets, it holds your phone securely while driving. It is compatible with most smartphones thanks to the swivel feature. You can adjust the perfect viewing angle of the car, but the Stylus Stinger is more than just a holder. It has a unique 3-in-1 emergency tool built into it for emergency evacuation from your car. It will always be on hand when you need it. The spring mechanism allows you to break the side window in one blow and evacuate through the resulting hole in the event of a rollover, flooding, or car fire. It should be noted that the tool is not designed to break windshield or laminated glass. The tool also has a built-in sharp knife that will help cut a stuck seatbelt if the traditional way of unbuckling isn't working. Stylus Stinger is a simple but ingenious solution that will become your reliable companion in everyday travel and can save lives in a critical situation. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed discovering these innovative tools and accessories. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Don't miss our next video where we continue to explore the latest in car tech